Awning window, brackets, torque arm, crank replacement. Open window. Remove shoulder bolt. Remove crank. Remove bent bracket. Remove torque bar. Torque bar arms are uneven. This arm is reamed out. Making do with what is available. Use the old torque bar arm as a template. Trace out the shape and the hole placement on this similar arm, which is a bit too long, so we're cutting it down. Just scoring it on both sides. We're just making do with what we have. And you'd just be able to snap the metal off with a pair of pliers. Attach torque arm to torque bar. Cut window frame where access is needed. Bend frame to gain access. Shim slide bar. Drill out rivet. This bar is bent. Use hammer to shape the bar straight. Slide the pin out of the rivet. Cut rivet head to desired length. Reassemble the rivet. Use Teflon tape to increase diameter of rivet head. Cut tape to thickness of bracket. Remove excess tape. Rivet bracket to slide bar. Install torque bar. Attach bracket to torque bar arm. pull to attach crank. Attach crank arm to torque bar arm using shoulder bolt. Attach crank to frame. Lubricate. Good to go.